Okay, now we begin the second major part. This is called registration. This means typing in your basic details, your name and your email address, etc. At the end of the process, you will also need to access your email to check a verification code. So this is a great time to pause the video if you need a break. Your phone should be at this screen now. Look at the absolute foot of the screen. See "Need an account?" ? Tap "Sign up" right next to it. Yes, this screen looks very similar to the previous one. However, there are subtle important changes. This is where we start to fill in your details. In the white area of the screen, below "Sign up with a new account," tap the box below the word "Email." Up will pop your keyboard again, so now enter your email address. Type it in now, and just check you have it correct. No spaces, no capitals, and of course an @ sign. Then tap the box below the word "Password," and here you create a memorable password for yourself. There are some rules, and they are: the password must be at least 8 characters, it must be a mix of letters and numbers, and at least 1 capital letter. Do also keep a note of this password for future use. When you've successfully satisfied the password rules, you'll see this screen. Note there are now 4 green ticks next to each of the rules outlined previously. If they all look good, then well done, nearly finished. Now just tap the blue "Sign Up" button. The app will now have issued you a verification code. So check your email inbox for a new email which will contain this 6-digit verification code. Then tap the box labelled "Verification Code" on this screen, and up comes the keyboard. Type in the 6-digit code. Note this is a one-off code, you won't need it again, so no need to write it down. Finally, tap the blue "Confirm Account" button.